Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I want to show you how I can quickly meal plan in just 10 minutes a week with my meal planning binder and printables. Also, you'll get a look inside my meal planning bundle called Meal Planning Made Easy, which includes a guide, the printables featured in this video, and a sample meal plan. So let's get started. This is my weekly menu planner printable. You can either put this in your binder or post it somewhere. I like to post it on the fridge so I can see it all week and everyone knows what's for dinner. And I usually just plan what's for dinner because breakfast is usually the same thing for everyone, and lunch is actually taken care of. I don't really worry about lunch, but planning dinner is what's important. Monday I'm gonna have Thai curry chicken, Tuesday spaghetti squash, Wednesday pork belly with rice, Thursday rice porridge, and Friday usually have something easy like pizza, like frozen pizza, give myself a break. In case you're wondering, these are recipes on my site under Instant Pot recipes. You can find them. I put a shopping list next to it. I've gotten feedback and people wanted the shopping list all in one place, but I want to show you besides the shopping list what else you can do with this. So what I've done in the past is I've just brainstormed, like, what do I have in my pantry? Say I had some mac and cheese. I'm gonna write that. And I have some pasta sauce. And, what's in my pantry or fridge. What you can do is just brainstorm, like, hey, I have these things and I want to use it up. I'm gonna put it into my menu plan. Like, I can put the mac and cheese on Monday. And I have pasta sauce, but I don't have, I need to get spaghetti squash or pasta, so you can make a note and write down, like, okay, I need to buy it maybe on the other shopping list. And then drumsticks, I can do that. And I have rice, I always have rice. So you can use this list, you don't have to use this as a shopping list. You can use it as a brainstorm area. And I really like it for that. So this just helps me formulate my meal plan in real life. I mean, it's not always really organized. I just really look at what I have and what I need to use up. These are sheets that can go into your meal planning binder. One of the first sheets I have is the meals I can cook, and just take like 10 minutes and write down the foods that your family loves and just, ingredients you need. So you can use this for ideas. So you can quickly make a meal plan. It's like there's some days where you can't think. So you did the brainstorming already and you don't really have to think. You're just moving things over and just getting ideas and just throwing into your meal plan. I find this method to be really easy in helping me create a meal plan. There's just some days I can't think and I'm exhausted and I just want to get food on the table. So I just use the meals I can cook, and I just put down easy things I can make. Frozen pizza, chicken nuggets, hot dogs. It's hard having a family. It's hard working and then coming home and having to make dinner for everyone. What meal planning does is just, when you write everything down, it kind of frees up your mind. You know exactly what's going to happen. It kind of organizes everything, and it just makes me feel less stressed out when I know, like, what I'm gonna make, that I have all the ingredients. And if something is easy and is streamlined, you're gonna be able to easily do it every week. A big part of meal planning is grocery shopping. In Meal Planning Made Easy, I have printables that streamline the grocery shopping process. So this is my all out of checklist. I have things that are pre-printed here. And what's great about having things that are pre-printed is that it's just a good reminder of things to put on your grocery list. So sometimes if I'm staring at like a blank page, like a blank list, I forget things all the time. So this is just a good reminder of, what I need to get. So if I see like, do I need bacon, chicken? And when I look at this, it jogs my memory, and then I'm like, oh, like I need certain things. So this is just kind of like a brainstorming thing. It just gives me ideas on things I might need to get, and it just little reminders of what I should get. And I just want to show you how I use it. So I'm going to check the stuff that I want to get. I want bacon, I want hot dogs, I need shrimp, And when I go to the grocery store, this is how I know that I've gotten the items. So when I go to the grocery store and I pick up these items, say I got bacon, I just cross it out. I picked up hot dogs, I cross it out. I picked up shrimp, I cross it out. This next sheet is another all out of sheet, but instead of having everything printed, you can fill in your own. The next sheet I want to show you is the multiple store shopping list. And I don't know about you, but when I go run errands, I go to a bunch of stores at once. And I don't want to carry like 3 different shopping lists. So I made this so that you can write everything all in one list. And when you get this, these are blank, so you can fill in your own stores. I put Costco, Trader Joe's, and Target. These are just places that I hit up most often. And I just put in the things that I need to get. And I also put in order of, which places I'm going first, second, third. So it just makes my shopping trips easier. This printable is handy so that you can organize all your couponing trips and you can have everything all in one place. So here we have, the place to put your item, how many you're going to get, whether or not there's a coupon, and what the deal is. Say it's a 2-for-1 deal. The final prices will be $5. And also for the coupon, you can write whether or not it's digital or paper, how much it is off, and what the final price is. And then at the bottom, you can list the total that you're going to spend when you're doing this couponing trip. Besides meal planning printables, there's also printables to help save money. And I have a grocery price list here. I want to show you quickly how I use it, my grocery price list. So these colored boxes are blank, and I just fill it in with stores that I shop at most often. For me, it's Amazon, Costco, Target, Trader Joe's, Vitacost, which is an online health food store. You can just fill in whatever you want. And I made it like this so that you can compare things easily. So you can put the item that you are comparing. For this example, it's organic eggs that are large. I compared Costco, which is $2.80 a dozen when you buy 5 dozen. And Trader Joe's is $4.29 a dozen when you buy 1 dozen. So once you find the lowest price, just highlight it so you can know in the future. I usually just compare once for things. I don't keep trying to check out sales or anything because I just don't have time and I don't have energy to do that. But once I find the best place, I just stick to that place. You don't have to check every week, just check once. And if prices change, check again, maybe check once a year, and just when things change or when your needs change. Now let's take a look inside my meal planning bundle called Meal Planning Made Easy. It's a PDF ebook that includes a quick start guide, the printables I just talked about, and a sample meal plan. You can see the table of contents. There's an intro, how to meal plan, a printables guide, the printables, there are 10 of them, and a sample meal plan to help you get started. This is just a 1-page guide to meal planning. There's 8 steps. And I have a description for each printable. There's 10 of them and what they're for. And here are the printables. Here's the all out of. It's a checklist. And here's one you can fill out for your grocery shopping list. You have a blank recipe page for filling out your own recipes. There's a freezer inventory for tracking things that are in your deep freezer or in your spare fridge in the garage. Here you have a grocery price list. You can use this to compare prices at different stores. This is meals I can cook, and this is just a brainstorming area where you brainstorm all the foods that you know how to cook. This is for when you hit like 2 or 3 stores in one trip. It's a pantry inventory for tracking things in your pantry. Shopping with coupons. This is just a way to organize your shopping trips for coupons. And then we have the weekly menu planner. There's the days of the week on the left and a shopping list on the right. And then here we have the sample meal plan. And I just have 5 recipes for weeknights for dinner, and also the shopping list. And next you'll see recipes for this meal plan. You can buy meal planning made easy at livingrichyonabudget.com. Again, it's a PDF instant download, so you can print the worksheets seen in this video.